So, good morning, everybody. So, today I came to the Nallamala jungle camps once again. I have taken the tent accommodation which you are seeing right in front of your screen. That's my usual fridge. The hall is completely made of cloth, and whereas the dressing room as well as the washrooms are completely made of concrete. So this is one superb experience everybody can have once they book a tent accommodation at the Nallamalas. Nallamala is my frequent visiting destination. The sunset point at Nallamala jungle camps, Pacharla Chelama range. Hi guys, a walk on the suspension bridge early in the morning. It's an amazing treat for the eyes. This is Mayuri Canteen. This is the place which keeps my tummy full all times. So this morning I came here to have a sip of coffee, but I don't think anybody has woke up yet. So let us go to the reception and try to get my coffee. Thanks Kumara.
Welcome, sir.
Hi Appu.
Hi.
So we just entered evening safari. We are in a hope to see some wildlife sightings. As it is evening, most of the wild animals will come out either in search of water or to have the kill. So let's see if we are fortunate enough to meet any of the predators. Stay tuned to Insane Wanderers. Jungle तो बहुत बड़ा है, and there are many tigers also. The tigers population have shot up in the recent past. So let's see if we are fortunate enough to spot any tigers, at least sambars or deers or some bisons, nilgais, wild boars. Let's see how fortunate we are today. So hi guys, welcome to another safari version from Insane Wanderers. So this time Sashanka is in charge of the safari vehicle. So this is a Tata 4x4 exclusively for safari. So I am the current pilot for this vehicle and the safari today. So let's see if I'm fortunate enough to spot any wildlife sightings today. So this is all jungle, Arjubij. So this is all jungle. So let's see how far we can go. So, there you see sambar. There you see. This is staring at me. This is the first wildlife sighting I had today. That guy is staring at me. Gone. Hi guys, we are in the midst of the Nallamala forest. So right here is the tiger zone. Unadministered by any of the forest officials. So they are just left to the wild. It's completely forbidden area. That's the water tank, and they have set up a solar pump there, which pumps the water, and it keeps this pit full all through the seasons, all 4 seasons. This pit will be full to ensure that no animal dies of thirst, which is a very good concept. Really, these guys are maintaining the forest very, very well. So this is Identa Ashok. What is it? Macha.
Machan.
So this is matcha made of wood. This is pretty strong. So if you guys happen to watch Bobbili Raja movie, there is one scene wherein a monkey will quench its thirst by pumping some water. That is right there. It is Ram Gopal Varma's creation. So as you know, Ram Gopal Varma is a forest fan just like me. So this is the place where the shooting has happened. Not only Bobbili Raja, Chanak Chanam shooting also happened here. So this is like a forest lover's paradise. And we shall not go away from this place till we do a small stunt. Ashok. So guys, I have footboarded this jeep. Yeah. Woo! Bang! Bang! One wrong move, you're gone. Rashid, pada. Pada. As the day is closing, the forest is getting filled with darkness. This is going to be a creepy journey all through the camp. Hello, Team Insane Wanderers. Do you want to witness how a forest looks like at nights? It's like this. Nothing. Relying completely on jeep lights. Dinner time. Food cooked in bamboo. It's smoky hot. Chalo. వేడి చల్లారక ముందు గుమ్మేద్దాం. నడు. కింద పడుతుంది
పడలే
తెరికి ఏమన్నా ఓపెన్ చేసినావా కాకా ఏ
పెట్టేసి వద్దులే
The natural way of eating. Anything cooked with bamboo is superb.
అన్న పోయిందా మళ్ళీ అన్న ఫోన్
Campfire, insane wanderer relaxing. This is life. Anubhavinchu Raja. So tomorrow early in the morning we are going to have a small walk and then followed by breakfast, and then we'll be pushing off to Hyderabad with a halt at Karnool Sri Divya Hotel for pot biryani. Stay tuned for more updates. Insane Wanderer Shashank signing off for the day. Good night.